fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Like, yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better.
So today's video is going to be a tutorial of this look right here. I know I got skills. I am going to a comedy club and then VELOUR dancing afterwards. I'm really excited. I love to dance and I love to laugh. So, you know, that's perfect. And I wanted to do this look and I'm like, I'm just gonna film it while I'm getting ready and we're gonna, you know, kill two birds with one stone. So this was like kind of the first look I did when I got the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I was just, you know, of course I was drawn to the corals, girl, you know that, and then the Filthy Rich, the like antique gold, I was instantly drawn to. And I have to say that it's probably my favorite metallic shade in the entire palette. So this look combines like my favorite colors, like corals, browns, golds, and pinks, like, and a nude lip. This is like me. This is the essence of Natalie in a look. Okay. And I am going to get into the tutorial, and if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more awesome videos that I create every week, once or twice a week. So stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get into it. What's up guys? We are going to be getting into this tutorial. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to take PARCHED, which is that like matte beige shadow, and I'm just going to put that all over my lids just to kind of create a nice space. I had already put concealer down as a primer. So now we're going to be taking Taste Buds, which is like a light coral pink, and we're going to be putting that in our crease from outer corner to inner corner. Just go back and forth with a large fluffy blending brush, and that is going to be our transition color. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E35 and we're going to go in with BIITCH, and this is like a bright coral eyeshadow. This is probably my favorite matte. Oh, I don't know if I can say that. One of my favorite mattes in the palette. I just love it. I know it's like looks really pink right now, but by the end of the look, it's just gonna be like peeking out from behind the browns. It's not gonna look crazy, but you know, I know it looks kind of crazy right now. Just bear with me. So I'm just going to be doing that on the other side. Go from inner to outer corner. And now I am taking a Morphe R38 and just blending that out. So now I'm going to take a M433 and we are going to go in with KUMQUAT. And that is like a light brown, but it's like a coral mixed in with a brown. Oh my gosh, with or oh, I am in love with that color. And we're gonna be patting that on the outer third of our eye and then slowly dragging it into our crease. And on the other side doing the same thing, like patting it, and then I swipe kind of back and forth as well. And then keeping my brush the same angle it's at right now, I bring it into the crease and then I turn it and that helps blend it out. And then we go back in with a fluffy brush and blend some more. So now I'm going to be taking Stroke, which is a like mahogany brown. I am in love. This whole like first row I am freaking living for. So we're just gonna do the exact same thing with that shadow that we did with Kumquat. Literally the exact same thing. And it's crazy how like those two colors combined with the coral kind of make it like an orangey look. You don't have to do this. I wanted a little bit deeper of a brown, so I'm using a ColourPop shadow, but you can skip this step. I'm just extra and need like 86 eyeshadows in my look. So just taking the R38 and blending that out again. And now we are going to be going in with the NYX glitter glue and putting that on our lids before we put down the metallic. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush, and we're going to go in with Filthy Rich. This color is everything. The camera does not even do it justice. Like, it is so gorgeous. And look how bright that is, and I haven't even gone in with any Fix Plus or anything yet. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and look at what a difference that makes and just how beautiful that color is. Oh, I am in love with it. This is kind of like my go-to look, like the past, since I've gotten the palette. These are just the colors that I'm drawn to the most, and I just love this look. I'm going to be adding a little extra in this tutorial than my everyday look, you'll see, but now we're going to be taking a drizzle and a pencil brush and just going in a V shaped in the outer corner of her eye, and we're going to blend in the brown eyeshadows with that gold, so there's no like mark of demarcation. Yeah, line of demarcation, that's what I was thinking of. And doing the same thing on the other side, and then blending it out with the Morphe M433. So now I also got another liquid lipstick in 818 from the summer collection, and it is described as a pastel coral orange. Look at that. Oh my god. This color is everything. So we're actually going to be using it as eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some of that on like I would a regular eyeliner. This was the extra-ness that I was talking about. Now, you do not have to do this. You can just use a black eyeliner, or a dark brown would look really good. I just really wanted to incorporate the liquid lipstick in the look because I just think it went so well with the coral eyeshadows. So I'm also going to be putting that in my lower waterline. And what I did on the upper lash line eyeliner, I went in with BIITCH and just kind of used that to set the liquid lipstick or eyeliner. And I'm doing the same thing on the bottom, as you can see. I'm going in with that color and putting it right on top so that it won't transfer like onto my contacts or anything. And now I'm going to be going in with the same brush and the color Stroke and putting that underneath. We're going to be using that color to kind of blend out the corals, because if it's like too pink, I will look sickly, and we do not want that. So I'm also going to be taking Drizzle and putting that on like the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line with the same brush. And then I'm going to be blending that out. Alright, so we are going to do the lips now. I'm going to be using Jeffree Star 818, what we use on the eyes. So I think I'm gonna go with Soft Serve. I think that the eyes are so bold that I don't want to do a really, really bold lip as well. I am going to a comedy show, so I don't want to be too extra or they might heckle me. So let me line my lips. And Soft Serve is such like a beautiful peachy nude. Like I am so obsessed with it. It goes with so many different looks. Like it's okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna go have fun because it's not very often that I do that these days. So I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. Peace, bitches.